Before we get started on our illustration today, I want to read a quick passage from the Hermetica so you guys understand where a lot of this knowledge comes from, and I'm going to break this stuff down in my classes as well. So I'm going to talk about the hierarchy of creation real quick. Adam creates the cosmic mind. The cosmic mind creates the cosmos. The cosmos creates time. Time creates change. The essence of Adam is primal goodness. The essence of the cosmic mind is permanent sameness. The essence of the cosmos is beautiful order. The essence of time is movement. The essence of change is life. Adam works through mind and soul. The cosmic mind works through immortality and duration. The cosmos works through turning and returning. Time works through increase and decrease. Change works through quality and quantity. Okay? And the cosmic mind is an atom. The cosmos is an eternity. Time is in the cosmos. Change is in time. The cosmic mind is permanently connected to Adam. The cosmos is made up of thoughts in the cosmic mind. The cosmic mind is an image of Adam. The cosmos is an image of the cosmic mind. The sun is an image of the cosmos. Man is an image of the sun. Okay? So now we're going to break that down real quick in an illustration. So to get started, remember that Adam creates the cosmic mind. So let's illustrate what that's talking about. First, we're going to start with our atom. We're going to do a quick version of Adam this time. And so we can get started here. All right. So we've got our atom going. And I'm just going fast. So now we've got our atom, okay? And as it said, Adam creates the cosmic mind. So let's create our cosmic mind. So now we've got our cosmic mind. And it says, the cosmic mind creates the cosmos. So let's create the cosmos. I keep putting holes in this damn paper. Some cheap paper. All right. So let's create the cosmos. Just doing real quick. All right. So now we've got our cosmos. And cosmos creates time. So let's create time. All right. Almost done. So now let's write our numbers in there. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay? So now we know that the cosmos creates change. Time creates change, and the essence of Adam is primal goodness and all that stuff. And at the end there, it said that the cosmic mind is an atom. Okay? So yeah, the cosmic mind is an atom, and the cosmos is an eternity. Time is in the cosmos, you see? And change is in time. The cosmic mind is permanently connected to Adam. The cosmos is made up of thoughts in the cosmic mind. The cosmic mind is an image of Adam. You see, the cosmic mind is an image of Adam, and the cosmos is an image of the cosmic mind. So if we were to go like this with it, time and the cosmos, it's all one connected to Adam. Oh man, I made that really sloppy there. Trying to go fast. Okay. And this is basic understanding from Hermetic text. Um, but there was a problem though. You see, a long time ago, this type of knowledge was stripped from the consciousness of the planet, and people kind of forgot the way of the flame and understood, and religion was born. Now, this information came from the Hermetica, and the Hermetica was written by a bunch of religious scholars from different religions. From they were Christian, Muslim, and Jewish, and some of them were spiritualists as well. So they learned all this stuff from the Library of Alexandria, which is in Egypt, and they understood the nature of reality and life. And even Leonardo da Vinci himself went to Egypt to learn this very same knowledge. That's why he painted all that stuff and hid symbols within symbols in his images. And what ended up happening was, uh, over time, this world became a man-dominated world. And instead of keeping the truth about the feminine role in our lives, they decided to strip and make the woman second place. And as you know, the story, Mary gave birth to the Christ child. And you see here that that story was already written in the stars to happen. And what I want to articulate to you is that the birth of Christ from the virgin birth of Christ from Mary was already written here in the stars to happen, which means this happens all the time. This always happens because it's already illustrated in time. It just happens in a different way every time. It doesn't happen the same way every time. Okay. And what ended up happening was the divine feminine. So just give you a quick illustration. The divine feminine ended up getting put to sleep. Her consciousness, the divine feminine role the uh, of the planet, actually. So the planet fell asleep and became a male dominated world full of war, and people ended up forgetting the name of the flame and forgetting who they are, and putting women, trying to tell women what their role is in this world. They did not want to listen to what the female had to say anymore. And so she no longer lifted her head up, no longer lifted her head up to the stars, and was told to obey instead of being a part of the conversation. And honestly, this didn't just happen to, one group of women. It happened to a lot of women all around the world. And what needs to happen is the women need to lift their head again and remember who they are. Okay. And it doesn't matter if you have long, stringy hair or thick, fluffy hair like this. It doesn't matter what your hair looks like. The women all over the world were suppressed. And now it's time for those women to rise out of the ashes like a phoenix. And remember who you are, because you are the ones, the secret to the salvation of this planet. You need to ignite your flame and remember who you are. Widen your perspective of view, lift your head up to the stars, activate your pineal gland, look within your heart, and then you will be able to reconnect. You will be able to reconnect your mind to Adam. Then you will reconnect your mind to Adam and flame, flame forth brighter than you've been allowed to for decades and shine like you're supposed to. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the holy grail that they've been searching for. Your identity. I am here to remind you who you are. I came here, like you, as a human, to remind you that you are more than human. I carry the secrets of this knowledge, and I'm here to give it back to humanity because it was taken from you. And I'm going to show you in my classes how to use the keys and the symbols from ancient Egypt to restore the balance to this world. And I'm going to be teaching the leaders that are willing to carry these secrets forward and pass them down generation to generation so that it's not forgotten again. We are all connected to the universe. We are all living inside the cosmic mind of the Creator. We are all living inside the imagination of the Creator. And I'm here to return your power, your identity that was taken from you. So, it's up to you if you want to remember that you're all fallen angels. I hope you enjoyed today's message from the Hermetica, because what this is showing you is that, remember, we are made in the image of the sun. Humanity was modeled after the cosmos. And I'm back to deliver the word and give you back the holy grail that was taken from you. Flame on to infinity and beyond. I love you all. Lift your head up to the stars and remember who you are. You're looking at your own reflection. We are all angels fallen, asleep. Now it's time to wake up and rise like a phoenix out of the ashes.